I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark test in this Poco X3 device, as you can see, friends. So this is the antutu benchmark test which has been I'm doing after the latest software update. So I think a couple of days ago, I did receive the updates, and few of the users they did receive this kind of update of I think back in December. So right now I thought of doing the antutu benchmark test in this Poco X3. So every time I update the mobile phone, I'll try to do the antutu benchmark test. From the beginning I started to do till now as well. So I'll check whether the antutu benchmark score has been improved or not by comparing with the previous version of the update. So let's see, friends, in this kind of update whether the antutu benchmark test has been improved or not. The version which I'm running is a 12.0.7. So a few of the users, as I said, they already received this update back in December. And let's see, friends, in this video whether the antutu benchmark test will be different or not. And in the previous version I did get the score about 2,72,000. So this is a previous version before the update. So let's see in this version of the update what will be the antutu benchmark score. And let me try to start the antutu benchmark application as well. And during this time I'll be using the 60 Hz display, not the 120 Hz. Only 60 Hz display I'll be turning on. So let me try to show you 60 Hz. So just for the antutu benchmark test purpose. So let me try to open the antutu benchmark test and continue the test. And meanwhile, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description as well for more interesting videos on this Poco X3. So I have already uploaded so many videos on the Poco X3, more than 260 videos, as you can see here. So if you're having any other doubts, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist, and then you can comment me. So maximum I uploaded all the videos on the Poco X3, A to Z videos on the Poco X3 device. So that playlist will give you the clear idea about the phone. So what are the different things you need to know about the phone. Everything will be there in one single playlist. So let's see, friends, in this kind of update whether the antutu benchmark score will be improved or not. So I was hoping that the benchmark score will be improved with the new update of the 12.0.7. So let's see whether that's gonna happen or not right now. So again, I'll be back once the antutu benchmark score has been successfully completed. So then we can compare the results from now to the results from our previous antutu benchmark test. So finally, this is the antutu benchmark score after the update of the 12.0.7. As you can clearly see, friends, the score has been slightly increased, only 1000 points when we compare with the previous antutu benchmark version, previous software version. I mean, in the previous MIUI version of 12.0.4. So let me try to show you. 12.0.4, the antutu benchmark score was about 2,72,000. So right now with this 12.0.7, the antutu benchmark score was 2,73,000. So there is only difference of 1,000 difference after the update to this version of 12.0.7. So I cannot say a much difference I can feel, but definitely I'll try to update you later on after using the phone for the next couple of days. So this is what I do, friends. Every time I get an update, I'll try to do the antutu benchmark test, and then I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to add this kind of version on the top. So it's easy for us to see every time how the antutu benchmark test is varying every time with the update. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in the description for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.